In this chapter, we'll look at some of the basic tools needed for successful knife skills. Always remember, when entering the kitchen, it's very important that you look your best. A proper uniform, clean hat, neckerchief, chef coat, and apron are the basic uniforms for a successful chef. Also, it's very important that when you enter the kitchen, you always want to take in consideration sanitation. You always want to make sure that your station is clean, your knives are clean, as well as making sure that any surfaces that you're working upon is sanitized and ready for production. Here we have sanitizing wipes. Wipes are easy, they're disposable. You can use each one, wipe the blade, dispose of it. We have containers for water. Water is always essential. It's very important that you keep your product in water, potatoes in water so that they don't oxidize, as well as carrots and any other product that needs to be covered. We have a stainless steel bowl. Tongs can be used as an ice bath. Here we have a steel, which is a diamond grade, which is used for honing your knife. It's not really used to actually sharpen a knife, but it's actually used to keep the edge and make sure the blade stays sharp. Here we have a meat slicer. Meat slicer used for carving meats. It's long, it's used for making nice, clean, long slices and to give you a nice look in your final presentation. We have the chef knife, the most used knife in the kitchen, used for multiple things, chopping, dicing, slicing. The chef knife is something that you got to be comfortable with, something that's going to fit in your hand properly, and something that you can execute well. Then we have the bread knife. The bread knife is used just for that, for slicing bread. Anything with a hard surface, anything with a soft center. It's able to cut through the surface really smooth and also give you a nice look in your final presentation as well. We have the boning knife or the fillet knife. It's used for fabrication, poultry, seafood, and any other items that you need to remove meat from bones. The basic paring knife here, which is used for simple garnishes, peeling, tourneys. The paring knife is another mostly used knife as well. The peeler, which is used for vegetables, any intricate peeling that you need. The vegetable peeler is very important. You need to make sure that you have a very sharp, clean, sanitized peeler. What we have here is a cleaver. This is a vegetable cleaver. It's very light, easy to handle, and you see it has a very nice straight edge all the way around. It's used for mincing, pressing, chopping, and making intricate garnishes. Here we have something that's a little bit more sturdier, a little bit more heavier. This is used for chopping of bones and meat production. We have cheesecloth. Cheesecloth is used in parsley, in rinsing and cleaning of the parsley. It's very important that when you use the cheesecloth, that you run it under clean, cold water to make sure that all the chlorophyll is removed from the parsley and that the water runs clean. We have the bench scraper, another essential product. It's very important that the bench scraper used to clear any debris off of your cutting board and make sure never use a metal bench scraper. Here we have basic containers. Containers are used and it's very important for storage and the placement of your product. Your finished product, your usable waste, your unusable waste, as well as holding product you use for prep. Here we have different types of cutting boards. We have different colors. The different colors will help you distinct between a vegetable cutting board and from a meat cutting board. And here we have all the basic utensils and tools needed for successful knife skill.